Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. We already fixed this one here for 2018 BMW. What year this car is for? What? 340. So now this fender was no good and we're getting this fender here. Okay, that's beautiful. So we're gonna align it perfectly. This is the old one, 2018 340. This one is not going to work anymore. Also, we're going to work on those pieces that they get a hit here very bad. We're going to finish that one. So now we're going to put this. The car started already. We have some issue with the wiring, output, input here. We're going to work on it. That's beautiful. Wow, that's nice. So yeah, so it's big, it's good, perfect. That means the way it's sitting here, that means this frame is good. This frame is bent here or here, this never go, but the frame is good. So when the frame is good, everything aligned nice. That's good, thank you. So now we're gonna finish this. This one is done. We're gonna put, this is the left side. It have a little bit off here, but we're gonna get it right. Yes. This one is gonna be okay, or we're gonna change this? Look, good, yes. This good?
Good, no problem. Here.
Okay,
Yeah,
we're gonna get the other one because look here.
No.
Look here. Okay.
No problem.
No problem, right?
No.
Okay. No problem. We clean all this. I'm gonna try to come here and put. You see the antenna here? I'm gonna get the wiring, fix the antenna, fix the all connection here. Whatever we need here, we're gonna fix it. Some sensors here. Oh, this is for the glass antenna or the heat element. Maybe this is a ground. Follow us, please. This car is gonna be running fine and beautiful. You see the engine go back here. It even crack the windshield, but everything here is good. Maybe we're gonna move this a little bit, or this one, maybe you look here. This is gonna go out. And then we take it from there. Please subscribe, share, and like.